Lockheed Martin unveils the Sniper Network Targeting Pod, NTP, for the Philippine Air Force, ushering in a new era of air power. The FA-50PH is set to become the eyes in the sky for the entire fleet. The Sniper NTP isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap that transforms a fighter jet into the nerve center of a connected, intelligent, and lethal network. For the Philippines, facing complex maritime security challenges, this is a game changer. Traditionally, targeting pods gave pilots a magnified, stabilized view for precision strikes and reconnaissance, but that information stayed in the cockpit. The Sniper NTP changes everything. Now what one pilot sees, everyone sees, instantly and securely. This is collaborative lethality. Information is the most powerful weapon. Imagine a FA-50PH pilot over the West Philippine Sea spotting a vessel. Previously, relaying that info meant slow, error-prone radio calls. With the NTP, high-def video and precise data stream in real time to command centers, ships, and other aircraft, eliminating ambiguity and slashing response times. The Sniper NTP is a force multiplier, ensuring every asset shares a common operational picture. The fog of war lifts as real-time intelligence is shared across the force. For the Philippine Air Force, this technology is the key to unlocking the true potential of its new FA-50PH Block-70 jets. To understand the Sniper NTP's impact, consider its predecessor, the Sniper Advanced Targeting Pod, ATP, which set the standard for precision targeting and reconnaissance. The ATP gave pilots superhuman vision, but its data was mostly trapped in the cockpit, shared only through slow, error-prone radio calls. The NTP smashes that silo. Its core breakthrough, the N for networked. Lockheed Martin built a secure, high-bandwidth, two-way data link into the pod, turning it into a communications node. Now, the pod broadcasts high-def video and metadata across a secure network, data in, data out. It can send its sensor feed to others and receive targeting info from ground controllers or other aircraft, displaying it directly to the pilot. This is the quantum leap, from describing a photo over the radio to live streaming 4K video to the entire force. The NTP shares not just data, but understanding. Commanders see exactly what the pilot sees. Live, high-fidelity video, formation, speed, and heading. This immediate, unambiguous intelligence is the foundation of modern multi-domain operations. The NTP turns every pilot into a key player in a unified, all-seeing battle space. With the Sniper NTP, a fighter jet becomes more than a weapons platform. It's a flying, sensing, communicating node in a vast military web. This is network-centric warfare power measured by the strength of connections, not just individual units. If one FA-50PH is on patrol, its NTP feed is shared with all. If another joins, it can contribute its own view or receive the first feed, allowing pilots to focus on different tasks. The network is resilient. Losing one node doesn't cripple it. Others pick up the slack. Special operations teams on the ground can see the live feed from above, using it to spot threats and send digital markers back to the pilot. This two-way communication eliminates errors and shortens the kill chain. Every mission becomes an intelligence-gathering opportunity, feeding data into the larger picture. The FA-50PH with NTP is a smart node, a sensor, a router, and a weapons platform, making the whole network smarter and more lethal. It's a leap from isolated action to seamless real-time collaboration. The Philippines, with over 7,600 islands and vast coastlines, faces immense maritime security challenges. The FA-50PH fleet is the first line of aerial defense, but without networked surveillance, its effectiveness is limited. The Sniper NTP bridges this gap, connecting fast-moving jets with naval and Coast Guard assets in real time. On patrol, an FA-50PH can stream high-res video and precise locations of vessels, painting a live maritime picture for the entire armed forces. Command can make informed decisions, dispatching ships or cutters, before the jet even returns to base. This synergy allows limited assets to cover more area, more effectively. Navy ships are vectored directly to points of interest, identified minutes earlier by jets far away. The NTP is the key to asserting sovereignty and upholding maritime law in contested waters. High above the West Philippine Sea, a FA-50PH pilot, callsign Agila-1, scans the ocean with the Sniper NTP. A cluster of unknown vessels appears. The pilot zooms in, identifying them and broadcasting the feed instantly. On the BRP Antonio Luna, the commander sees the same high-def video. At air operations, analysts cross-reference the data. No lengthy voice reports, just instant, shared situational awareness. The naval commander sends a digital marker to the pilot, who uses the NTP's laser to designate the lead vessel. The ship's display confirms the target for future action or continued surveillance. From detection to coordinated targeting, the process takes less than 2 minutes. Agila 1 continues its patrol, while the frigate moves to intercept, fully informed. The pilot stays at a safe altitude, the ship avoids sailing into the unknown. This is the network in action. Seamless, lightning-fast collaboration between air and sea. Ambiguity becomes certainty. Reaction time becomes decisive advantage. The result: safer, smarter, and more effective operations. The Sniper NTP accelerates every aspect of military operations, making them faster, smarter, and safer. Live intelligence streams directly from sensor to decision maker, compressing the OODA loop and enabling rapid action. Shared operational pictures make coordination between units fluid and intuitive, preventing friendly fire and optimizing resources. Complex, multi-domain maneuvers become possible, even with limited assets. Pilots can stand off at high altitudes, reducing exposure to threats while still performing detailed reconnaissance. Ground and naval forces get advanced warning of threats, maneuvering more safely and confidently. Every mission is multiplied in effectiveness. A single FA-50PH becomes the sensory organ for the entire AFP. Intelligence gathered cues satellites, vector ships, and informs strategic command. The NTP maximizes the potential of every platform and service member, delivering the right information at the right moment. The Sniper NTP upgrade is a direct response to Southeast Asia's fast-evolving security landscape. Neighboring countries are modernizing, acquiring networked systems that bind their forces into cohesive units. Malaysia, for example, has upgraded its targeting pods and data-sharing capabilities, ensuring its air force operates efficiently and lethally. For the Philippines, keeping pace is essential to avoid a dangerous capability gap. The regional trend is clear: air power is moving from isolated platforms to networked, smart aircraft. Seamless data sharing is now the benchmark for a modern air force, enabling superior awareness and faster, more precise responses. As neighbors upgrade, the pressure mounts for the Philippines to ensure its FA-50PH Block-70s are not outmatched. The Sniper NTP is a crucial step in maintaining credible defense and contributing to regional security. It signals that the Philippines is ready, connected, and committed to deterrence. When acquiring new FA-50PH Block-70s, phasing in capabilities like the Sniper NTP later is a costly mistake. Integrating the NTP from the start streamlines logistics, training, and saves money long-term. Retrofitting pods after delivery means expensive, time-consuming challenges. Grounded jets, compatibility issues, and extra contracts. Making the NTP a birthright capability ensures every jet is network-ready from day one. Pilots and crews train on the full system immediately, building deep expertise in networked warfare. This avoids the gap where new jets lack key mission systems, turning potent fighters into mere fast aircraft. Bundling pods with the aircraft purchase is more cost-effective and reliable. For the defense budget, smart, upfront investment maximizes returns and avoids costly retrofits. Early integration is the only logical choice for a modern, effective air force. The FA-50PH Block-70, built on the F-16's DNA, is designed for networked combat. Its advanced architecture demands a system like the Sniper NTP to unlock its full potential. Without the NTP, the jet's sensors are powerful but isolated. With it, the FA-50PH becomes the apex predator in a digital ecosystem. This marks the shift from policing airspace to managing a multi-domain battle space. The combination of FA-50PH Block-70 and Sniper NTP gives the PAF a decisive edge, turning fighters into flying command posts. As these jets join the fleet, the message is clear: the Philippine Air Force is embracing the future of warfare. With networked eyes in the sky, the nation's defenders will see further, decide faster, and act with greater precision. It's a new dawn for Philippine defense, defined by connectivity, collaboration, and clarity.